Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best kept secrets for new parents, the Keekaroo Peanut Changing Pad Liner. If you're looking for comfort, durability, and practicality in your diaper changing routine, you're in the right place. Stick around as we uncover why this product has been making waves in the parenting community. Now, before we delve into the details, let's talk about what makes the Keekaroo Peanut Changing Pad Liner stand out. Designed specifically to fit peanut-shaped changing pads, this liner not only keeps your baby comfortable but also ensures that those diaper changes are a breeze. Here's why parents are loving it. Crafted from a blend of 40% cotton and 60% polyester, this liner is not just soft but also incredibly absorbent. It features 4 layers of silky padding, providing a plush surface that's gentle on your baby's skin. No sharp spurs here, just smooth, reassuring comfort. The Keekaroo liner isn't just about softness, it's built to last. It's reusable and durable, designed to withstand frequent machine washes and dryer cycles. Plus, its waterproof nature means accidents are no match for this liner. And let's not forget it's eco-friendly too, making it a win-win for both your baby and the planet. So, why should you consider the Keekaroo over other options? Well, beyond its practical design, it's the little things that count. From keeping your baby warm on chilly surfaces to its seamless fit on peanut-shaped pads. Every detail is designed with your convenience in mind. Imagine no more struggling with flimsy liners that slip and slide during changes. The Keekaroo stays put, thanks to its thoughtful construction. And with its machine washable feature, cleanup is a breeze, perfect for busy parents who need simplicity without sacrificing quality. While there are other options out there, the Keekaroo Peanut Changing Pad Liner offers unbeatable value for its price point. Retailing at $34.99 for a pack of 3, it's a worthwhile investment that ensures both comfort and peace of mind. Wrapping up, if you're in the market for a changing pad liner that ticks all the boxes, softness, durability, and ease of use, look no further than the Keekaroo Peanut Changing Pad Liner. It's not just a practical choice, it's a game changer in your daily routine with your little one. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest products. And as always, drop your comments below, we love hearing from you. Until next time, happy parenting.